Aura from Franco. Let's go. Do, 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 do. Stuff. Oh, Whitney. Whitney. Oh, the mythic charge shotgun. All right, we gotta go crazy with it this game. Let's try to pop off with it. This is so good to like shock on people's heads. Hold on, that's another team. I don't know if there's another team here. 80. Wow, I got the sweatiest team in the lobby right now. Nice, nice. Okay, we got our shotgun back. Nah, guys, just playing then. That guy's rising. What a legend! No way he committed to that. Our teammate has a chug cannon. Someone's at that charge shotgun on the other team. What is going on? I don't even know what's going on here. There's so much going on. They get distorted. What the heck? Alright, those guys are getting landed on it. Where's that guy with the freaking... Where's the Nogop skin? Whatever her name is. Someone has my charge shotgun. I need it back. Yeah, I want it back, man. He freaking left with it, didn't he? He for sure left with that thing. That's probably him. Where the heck is my charge at? I think this guy got it and left. Oh, my charge! A charge shotty. We got it back. We're good. Need some movement with us, though. $175. Wow. Beautiful shot. This lobby's dying out, though. What the heck? Let's go. GGJ, GGGG. How'd you get into dualies? Now you can land on people's heads. True, the dualies would be nuts. And that would be insane, actually. That would be insane for real lives. Yeah, I go live every day pretty much, Marius. I mean, recently I've been really just grinding, like not taking any days off for the past like 2 weeks. Usually I'll take like a 1 day off, maybe of the week, but recently I've just been getting on every day. Yeah, I stream at least 5-6 days a week. At least six. Depends what's going on. What's going on? Is it a baby or is that a baby emoji or something? A construction worker? How we doing, man? All right. Imagine you took 2025. 0 days off. I mean, nah, I can't do that, Cruz. I'm not gonna do that, man. Yo, and Mario said yes to the falls. Yes, thank you. Yes. I'm gonna get a mythic, or these. I don't even think they spawn any mythics. Gold sniper in this or something. Let's get in. That guy's just leaving. I'm about to do it. I flicked my shot. Oh, this guy's moving is nuts. Nah. That makes me wanna drop my shotgun. I'm not even kidding. I was too focused on like fully charging up. This guy was just moving like a king. It's 173 wasn't even freaking charged, man. 178. That's all movement now. What the? Ah. Is normal charge and reload or mythic? Yeah, it's only mythic. This one right here. Yeah, snipes would be nice, Greggy. I mean, you gotta be really in their face with this thing. 150 from that range is not bad. Nice little slide flick. No, I wasn't supposed to miss that shot. What the heck? Someone got a slide bug? Is that our teammate? Thank you. I'm trying to commit to like the fully charged shots. It's like it's hard to hit when they're moving. Oh, 140. What the heck? I hit my teammate with that egg. Nice, that's not bad range right there. I mean, so far, I don't know. I'm not really playing the best with it. Wow, that was a nice shot. As long as I get the shot off when I'm fully charged, man. Hello, KK. How are we doing today? Can I make it up there? Oh, I definitely can. Watch this, you guys ready? What a shot! I just have to be accurate, that's it. It's so scary, but as long as I'm hitting my shot, we're good. Let's go, okay. Yay! Oh, I missed my shot a little bit. 150. That might have been his health over there. Nice, we're popping off. I need some better movement. Well, you know what? The grapple trick where you swap your gun to your shotgun is so good with the shotty because you have to charge so much sooner. You can get the charge like way quicker than like swapping your gun or whatever. See, I'm already charging it. 164, I hit the wall too. 170, 197 actually. 150. I mean, I just did so much damage. So all three of those guys. I'm just gonna keep the movement. I don't feel like sniping this game. I want to keep using the shotty. Dead. 205. 200. Oh my gosh. And the shotgun's getting better over time. Just like freaking, yeah. Oh, wait. So the max that hits so far with this gun is 205 damage to the head. That might be the max you can do. I think it's the max you can do. 100% it is, people, yeah. Na, 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 na. It's a 4v4. They were there. Oh, they're freaking a bush. I didn't mean to do that. What the heck just happened? GG! You know what? That shotgun, man. If you're hitting your shots, that's very rewarding. GG. There it is, man.